Hey guys, it's great to be here with you today. My name is Fritz and I'm excited to share with you my journey to becoming a millionaire at the age of 20. A lot of you might be wondering how someone so young can achieve financial success. But I'm here to tell you that with the right mindset, dedication, and hard work, anything is possible. Growing up, I was always interested in making money. I started my first business when I was just 13 years old, selling handmade jewelry online. It was a small operation, but it taught me the basics of running a business and ignited a passion for entrepreneurship. As I got older, I continued to pursue different business ventures. I started a social media marketing company in high school, which helped local businesses grow their online presence. By the time I graduated, I had built up a solid client base and was making a decent income. But it wasn't until I started investing in the stock market that I really began to see significant financial gains. I was always interested in finance and economics, and I began studying the stock market in my free time. I started small, investing just a few $100s here and there, but over time, my portfolio grew and grew. My investment strategy was simple but effective. I focused on long-term growth and avoided day trading and other high-risk strategies. I invested in companies that I believed in and that had strong fundamentals, and I held onto my positions for years at a time. One of my most successful investments was in a technology company that had just gone public. I did my research and saw that they had a strong management team, innovative products, and a solid growth plan. I invested a significant amount of money in the company, and within a few years, the stock had tripled in value. That single investment alone made me a millionaire. But my journey to becoming a millionaire wasn't just about luck or good timing. I learned some valuable lessons along the way that I believe can help anyone who wants to achieve financial success. First and foremost, I learned the importance of having a strong work ethic. I put in long hours researching companies, analyzing financial statements, and staying up to date on market trends. It wasn't always easy, but I knew that the more work I put in, the greater the rewards would be. I also learned the value of patience. Investing is a long-term game, and it's important to resist the urge to make quick decisions based on short-term fluctuations. Instead, I focused on building a diversified portfolio of quality stocks and holding onto them for years at a time. Finally, I learned the importance of taking calculated risks. Investing can be scary, but I always did my research and made informed decisions based on data and analysis. I didn't just throw money at random stocks. I carefully selected companies that I believed had strong potential for growth. If you're interested in achieving financial success at a young age, my advice is to start early and be persistent. Don't be afraid to take risks, but make sure you do your research and make informed decisions. It's also important to be disciplined with your money. Don't spend everything you make. Instead, save and invest as much as you can. Over time, even small amounts can grow into significant wealth. So, that's my story. I hope it inspires you to take risks and pursue your dreams. Remember, success doesn't come easy, but with hard work and perseverance, anything is possible. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.